People often ask me, when is the best time to start a language? Over the years that I've been teaching Serbian and Croatian, I've noticed that there are two peak periods every year when lots of new people contact me, in December and in May. These are the two periods when many people decide to start a new language. The first period is when they're facing their winter holiday and probably the New Year resolution. And the second is when they're planning their summer vacation. Apparently, these people expect to achieve good results in a month or so. They want to start in May and get ready for their holiday in July, or they plan to start in December to get ready for January. Then they try to learn as much as possible and they cram all the material they can find. Some even hire 2 teachers. And eventually they get tired and confused, especially if they try to learn too much grammar at once. And they end up either disappointed or, which is better, resolved to take it all over again when they come back from their vacation. You probably ask yourself why this happens. The answer is simple. Because there is a limited amount of data our brain is capable of processing efficiently at a given amount of time. Also because to remember a new word, one word, we need to see it or hear it between 5 and 10 times. This is why we need to give ourselves plenty of time to learn a new language, especially if it's a new language family for us, which is often the case with the Serbian or Croatian language. And anybody who promises miracles, like learn this language in this many days, is misleading you. First, ask that person to define what does to learn a language mean? To which level? Up to what point? What are you going to be able to do with what they're promising? What you can do is that you can commit to get to a certain level in a certain amount of time. Like, for example, to get A1 level in 4 months. So from 0 to A1 in 4 months. And you need a solid program to follow to achieve that. Also, you need to make a plan and stick to it. How you're going to do it, what resources you're going to use, how often are you going to study, if you're going to take individual lessons, how many times a week, which days are you going to do that, when are you going to write your homework, how are you going to use your audio files, etc. Anyways, give yourself at least 4 to 5 months to see noticeable progress. And this is my answer to all of you who asked me when is the best time to start learning Serbian or Croatian. August or September is the right time to start getting ready for your winter vacation in Serbia. And December is the perfect time to start getting ready for your summer vacation in Serbia. And in the meantime, visit serbiancourses.com and check what's new. I've made the Tako Lako vokabular pages that you can use to start learning right away.